Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best King Ranch Leather Conditioner is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who appreciates the beauty and longevity of leather goods. Leather, a timeless material, demands care, and this conditioner promises to deliver just that. Today, we're diving deep into this product, exploring its benefits, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover how to keep your leather looking its absolute best. Number 5. Leather Honey Leather Conditioner, since 1968. This is Leather Honey, a powerful conditioner for all your leather items. It penetrates deep to protect new leather and revive old leather. It's non-toxic and made in the USA. Use it on furniture, car seats, shoes, and belts. It works great on all colors, even white. This product will soften and moisturize your leather, keeping it looking its best. This formula protects your leather all year round, even in snow and rain. It's water-repellent, non-sticky, and fragrance-free. It contains no silicone, solvents, or animal products. Made with non-toxic, high-quality ingredients, this product makes your leather last longer. It's free of harmful chemicals and safe for people, pets, and your leather items. It provides up to 6 months of protection. For over 50 years, this premium leather care formula has been a favorite among leather experts. It's trusted by retailers, high-end car and furniture makers, and enthusiasts. Try it today. What we like. This product uses a non-toxic formula, ensuring the safety of your leather and the environment. It protects all types of leather, from car seats to furniture. If you are looking for a reliable and safe conditioner for all your leather goods, this is a great choice. What people say. This product brought it back to life. Recommend using latex gloves and applying directly with your hands so you can rub it in. It restores stiff and cracking leather to a soft and moisturized look. Number 4. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. This kit is the perfect 1-2 punch for leather care. It helps keep leather soft and crack-free. This product cleans away dirt and conditions with vitamin E. First, use the pH-balanced leather cleaner to lift dirt and grime. Then, the conditioner nourishes and restores flexibility. This process enhances the leather's natural scent. Over time, leather can dry out and lose its luster. This kit replenishes essential moisture. It helps prevent cracking, fading, and premature aging. This kit is not just for cars, it's perfect for home and fashion. It restores and protects leather seats, jackets, shoes, purses, and furniture. Keep all your leather goods looking their best. This product is easy to use and provides instant results. Simply apply, wipe, and buff for soft, smooth, and rejuvenated leather. It is ideal for car interiors, sofas, and handbags. What we like. This kit offers a perfect 1-2 punch, cleaning and conditioning your leather in one go. It protects against drying and cracking, keeping your leather looking its best. If you want a simple yet effective solution to maintain your leather's suppleness and prevent damage, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent cleaner makes my light tan leather car seats look like they are brand new. The conditioner keeps it brand new for a while too and makes the seats nice and slick. The cleaning spray works great and removes a lot of dirt and grime. The conditioner leaves my leather looking well nourished and isn't too tacky. Also, the conditioner has a pleasant ozone smell, which is a nice touch. My black Lexus GX leather seats and trim all look amazing with this stuff. If you're looking for a no-nonsense leather cleaning kit that doesn't smell disgusting, then this is a great option. Number 3. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This product is designed to clean and condition all your leather items. It works on everything from car seats to jackets, bringing them back to life. The sprayable formula is easy to use. Just mist it on and wipe it off. It cleans and removes dirt, leaving no residue behind. Infused with vitamin E and aloe, it restores the soft feel of leather. It also helps maintain the leather's strength and appearance. The pH-balanced formula is safe for your leather. It penetrates the pores to lift away dirt and oils. It replenishes the natural oils, keeping your leather soft and supple. Plus, it smells great and is easy to use. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this product is easy to use. Chemical Guys provides professional-grade results for everyone. What we like. This product's sprayable formula makes application incredibly easy and convenient. It's enriched with vitamin E and aloe, which helps restore the leather's soft feel. If you like a quick and easy way to clean and condition your leather, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I used it on my leather couch, leather jacket that hasn't been cleaned in 20+ years, and leather purse. It made each item look nice. It brings back some of the new sheen shininess to the leather. It is a little hard to judge cleaning since my items were all black to begin with, but cleaned areas with some visible dirtiness on the couch well. Number 2. Chemical Guys Vintage Leather Conditioner, 128 fluid ounces. This leather conditioner is designed to bring your leather items back to life. The formula, infused with vitamin E and aloe extracts, moisturizes and restores a soft, supple feel. Neglected leather can crack, but this product helps prevent that. After cleaning the surface, apply the conditioner with a microfiber applicator. Work it in and then buff off any excess. You'll immediately notice the restored soft feel and natural look of the leather. This conditioner is perfect for maintaining both coated and natural leather. The vitamin E and aloe help restore the soft feel. You'll see the difference, and the subtle scent will make you smile. This product isn't just for car interiors. It works on all leather items, including jackets, shoes, couches, and bags. Everyone has leather items in their home that can benefit from this. This leather conditioner has a subtle leather scent and nourishes the leather. It helps reduce daily damage, making it the perfect choice to maintain your leather's soft, factory-fresh look, feel, and smell. What we like. This product restores and conditions leather, bringing back its soft feel. The dry-to-the-touch formula ensures no sticky residue. If you have a lot of leather items and want a product that provides long-lasting care, this is the one for you. What people say. My seats feel soft, look brand new, and smell amazing. No greasy residue, just clean, conditioned leather. Applying it is very simple and it dries pretty quick. It doesn't leave your seats slippery but does make the leather feel softer. Works well on old saddlebags, it does seem to lubricate the leather and after letting it soak in and wiping off the excess it looks great. Number 1. Chemical Guys Vintage Leather Conditioner. This leather conditioner is designed to bring your leather items back to life. It conditions and restores, leaving them soft and supple. The water-based formula is enriched with vitamin E and aloe extracts. These ingredients help moisturize the leather, preventing cracking and fading. After cleaning, apply the conditioner with a microfiber applicator. Work it into the surface and buff off any excess. You'll enjoy the restored soft feel. This conditioner is perfect for both coated and natural leather. It uses vitamin E and aloe to bring back the soft feel. You'll see and smell the difference. It works on all leather items, from car seats to jackets, shoes, and bags. Everyone has leather items at home that they can use this on. The conditioner has a subtle leather scent and nourishes the leather. It helps reduce daily damage, keeping your leather looking and feeling fresh. It is the perfect choice to maintain your leather's look. What we like. This product restores and conditions leather, bringing back its soft feel. The dry-to-the-touch formula ensures no sticky residue. If you have a lot of leather items and want a product that provides long-lasting care, this is the one for you. What people say. My seats feel soft, look brand new, and smell amazing. No greasy residue, just clean, conditioned leather. Applying it is very simple and it dries pretty quick. It doesn't leave your seats slippery but does make the leather feel softer. Works well on old saddlebags, it does seem to lubricate the leather and after letting it soak in and wiping off the excess it looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.